Pop the magic kettle. Hello guys, happy dinner. Ooh, you see that? That's delicious beef. This is what I'm grilling right now. Smells delicious. I hope you guys are preparing your dinner as well. So I want to share with you what I'm cooking because I'm novice at this, and George just taught me how to make to grill the beef, and this is my first time, believe it or not, to grill. So we have a timer here, and George has his tongs, and we have the charcoal starter in here. So we have several gadgets to make this work. And let me just close this, and we have to watch the temperature here, the thermostat, so that when the meat is ready to eat, it's actually tender, juicy beef, right? And just like with real estate, when you're a novice, you could either lose money or make money. And just like with the tender, juicy beef that I'm grilling here, I could overburn this or cook it well done or cook it rare. So why I'm sharing this with you, because I want to show you that when I started investing in real estate, my first apartment was, George and I bought our first primary residence. So it was a condominium, which is now a rental. And I lost in paper over $125,000. Why? Because it was a real estate crash of 2008 and 2009. And little did I invest in my education, in my knowledge, in my personal development. I just did what other people were doing. So I bought without knowing that I could actually lose money in the real estate. Now, it's not really a total loss because it's actually paper loss. So after owning it for more than 10 years, the property's value went up. So now that loss of $125,000 because of the high inflationary real estate market we live in, or high inflationary market in general, it's very expensive to buy, whether it's eggs, it's gasoline, or even your real estate. Everything now it's very costly. So that real estate, that first primary residence, which became our first rental, is now back to its real value, which was $325,000 when we bought it in 2009, 2010, and now it's over $325,000. So when you are grilling beef, just like when I grilled earlier, right, I didn't know about it. So when you're starting to buy your own apartments, yes, it's just like buying a home, right? There's no problem with it. But believe it or not, I was in that situation. I bought a home thinking that I would not lose money, but I did lose it in paper. And I just had the time to weather the storm. Initially, in the first few years, 3 to 5 years, I was paying $1,500 from my own pocket to keep the property. And then I refinance it so that it's able to support itself. And now it's supporting itself. So my secrets to getting to over 80 units in just a short time. For me, it's a short time because initially my goal was buying one single family home per year. And now I'm buying 10 units per year, I'm buying 12 units per year, I'm buying 15 units per year. And that's how we get to over 80 apartment units in such a short time. So I will be sharing with you how I planted my seeds in the ground, how the roots spread, and this is the riverfront property, and this is where we will dine in, dine out, go to the town, enjoy the scenic view of the river, enjoy the company together. So my dear friends, what are you waiting for? Let us go. Well, cannot wait. Let's go. Have a happy dinner and let's enjoy the sunset. Enjoy the sunset wherever you are. Let's go, guys. Well, cannot wait.